Okay, this female plug will go into the electrical vehicle socket, while this male plug will go directly into the charging equipment.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see. So it's more like a connecting cable.
Yeah, it functions as a bridge between the charging equipment and the electrical vehicle. The straight cable, we will use a straight cable. If it's too long, it will drop to the ground, you know.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
the user may be tripped over by the cable itself. But if you use a spiral cable, the cable will stay elevated in the air. It won't touch the ground.
Is this suitable for cold weather? Because we are in Norway. Temperature is very low here.
Yes. Just now we mentioned the cable jacket. The cable jacket can be TPE and TPU. TPU is proved to be the best cable jacket. It can withstand cold weather. It will remain soft and flexible, even in cold weather, like in countries like Norway.